Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make an Icelandic cast on. It's unusual cast on. It looks very pretty. It forms such kind of denticles on the edge. Let me show you how it is when you wear it. Look, it looks very pretty, and another benefits, it is stretchy enough, but it keeps the form. That's why I have chosen this cast on for these mittens. So we will do it with two needles held together. We need to form a double tail. The length of this double tail, which will be on our left side, should be at least 2 times longer than the length or width of your future project, just like it is with the long tail cast on. So let's take this length, for example. Now we need to make a slip knot here and here. Pull it, and we are pulling our 2 needles in this loop and tight it. So double thread is on the left, thread that goes to skein is on the right, and now we need to twist this double thread around our thumb in this direction twice, from the down twice, and single thread we keep on our index finger just as usual. This position we are having, and then we already have 2 stitches on the needles, and every those actions will create 2 stitches. So actually this consists of 4 steps, 1 cycle, and every cycle will create 2 new stitches on our needles. So first we go down, then we go down here on this double thread. Yes, and this part is not very convenient, but I think that it's worth it. And then again down, and from the front, and we tight it. Here is the first denticle, and then you see threads become twisted. This double, it comes to the left, and this goes there, and here is the twist. Once again, don't hold this twist tight, otherwise it will be inconvenient to pull needles under them. Yeah, it's never convenient enough, this cast on, so let's not make it harder. And here what we have. Thanks for watching me. Follow my channel. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.